Are you ready to face the ultimate thrill and danger? Imagine waking up to a roar. Not your neighbor's dog, a real live dinosaur. That's what happened. They're back. Picture this. The sun is just rising, the birds are chirping, and suddenly a deafening roar shakes your entire house. You rush to the window and there it is, a massive dinosaur right in your front yard. It's not a dream, it's reality. Giant lizards roaming our streets. Who knew these colossal creatures, once thought to be extinct, are now part of our daily lives? They stroll down city streets, wander through parks, and even cross busy intersections. It's like living in a real-life Jurassic Park. The world has changed overnight, and we are now sharing our urban jungles with these prehistoric giants. Life as we knew it, gone, extinct. The hustle and bustle of city life have come to a standstill. Streets that were once filled with cars and people are now eerily empty, save for the occasional dinosaur footprint. The threat of these ancient beasts has forced us to rethink our way of living. We've had to adapt to survive in this new unpredictable world, like the dodo or disco. Just as the dodo bird and disco music faded into history, so too has our old way of life. But in this strange new reality, there's a peculiar blend of the past and present. Dinosaurs roam freely among our modern structures, creating a surreal juxtaposition of eras. It's a bizarre, almost comical sight. Dinosaurs next to retro disco balls, wandering through abandoned buildings. Now, it's a prehistoric party. Hold on to your butts. Despite the chaos, humans have found a way to adapt and even celebrate this new world. Festivals and parties now feature dinosaurs as the main attraction. People dance and mingle with these ancient creatures, turning what could have been a nightmare into a unique, once-in-a-lifetime experience. It's a wild, unpredictable ride, but one thing's for sure. Life will never be the same again. So, are you ready to rise and roar with the dinosaurs? Downtown is buzzing, not with traffic, but with a T-Rex. He's huge, teeth like steak knives, but he's dancing. His moves? Clumsy but charming. He stomps to his own beat. Turns out even apex predators have rhythm. Who knew? The mall is no longer a shopper's paradise. It's a velociraptor's playground. These guys are fast and smart. They're eyeing the food court.
One jumps on a counter, snatching a pizza. Chaos ensues. Lesson learned. Don't compete with a raptor for a pepperoni slice.
Football will never be the same. A Stegosaurus just wandered onto the field. Those plates on its back, not just for show, they're goal posts now. The crowd goes wild.
Except for the coach. He's speechless. Who needs field goals when you have a walking prehistoric obstacle course?
Humans are adaptable. We're also a tad panicky. Dinosaurs bring out both. Cities are building giant fences. Cars now with dino-proof cages. Even fashion has changed. Steel-toe boots are back in style. Hey, safety first. You never know when you'll meet a Triceratops.
Section 6, learning to live together one roar at a time. It's tough sharing a planet with giant reptiles. These creatures, once thought to be extinct, now roam our streets and parks. Their presence is both awe-inspiring and challenging, but we're figuring it out. Slowly but surely, humans and dinosaurs are learning to coexist. Community events now include dinosaur-friendly activities, and parks have designated areas for our prehistoric friends. Dinosaur crossing signs are everywhere. So are poop-scooping drones. These drones have become an essential part of urban life, ensuring our streets remain clean despite the massive droppings left by these giants. We're learning their language, their habits. Scientists are dedicated to understanding these creatures, spending countless hours observing and documenting their behavior. This research is crucial for our peaceful coexistence. It's like a giant puzzle. And who knows, each piece of information brings us closer to a harmonious relationship. Collaborative projects between humans and dinosaurs are becoming more common, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Maybe we can be friends. Children especially seem to have a natural affinity for these creatures. They feed them, pet them, and treat them like oversized pets. This bond gives hope for a future where humans and dinosaurs live in harmony, or at least friendly neighbors. In many neighborhoods, it's not uncommon to see dinosaurs lounging in yards, with neighbors waving at them as they pass by. This new normal is a testament to our adaptability and resilience. Section 7. Brachiosaurus uber, anyone? Necessity is the mother of invention, and dino-sized transportation. Enter Brachiosaurus uber. These gentle giants give rides high above traffic. Sure, it's a bumpy ride, but hey, At least you're above the T-Rex jams, plus the view, spectacular. Just watch out for pterodactyl droppings. Section 8, a day in the Jurassic. Present? So yeah, life with dinosaurs is different, chaotic, a tad terrifying, but it's also exhilarating, awe-inspiring, never a dull moment. We're learning to coexist, to adapt, to find the humor in the chaos. After all, life finds a way, right? Even with a T-Rex doing the tango. Section 9. Welcome to the Dino-Future. The future is here. Imagine a world where the past meets the future in the most extraordinary way possible. And it's scaly, loud, and full of surprises. Dinosaurs are back, baby. These magnificent creatures have been resurrected and now roam our cities, blending the ancient with the ultra-modern. And they're not going anywhere. Neither are we. From the towering Brachiosaurus to the swift velociraptors, these prehistoric giants have found a new home among us. So, buckle up, hold on tight, and enjoy the ride. It's going to be wild. Our cities have transformed into bustling hubs where humans and dinosaurs coexist, creating a unique and thrilling environment. Just remember, if you see a Spinosaurus, run. Those guys don't dance. While most dinosaurs have adapted to their new surroundings, some, like the Spinosaurus, still retain their wild instincts. So, always stay alert and be prepared for anything. But it's not all danger and chaos. Many dinosaurs have become part of our daily lives, bringing a sense of wonder and excitement. Imagine having a picnic with a Triceratops grazing nearby, or watching children play with small, friendly dinosaurs in the park. This incredible era is also a time of scientific discovery. Researchers are constantly learning more about these ancient creatures, using advanced technology to study their behavior, biology, and interactions with humans. As night falls, the city transforms into a dazzling spectacle of neon lights and holograms, with dinosaurs adding to the surreal beauty of the scene. The Dino-Future is not just a time, it's an experience, a journey into a world where the impossible has become reality. So whether you're attending a futuristic concert with dinosaurs in the audience, or simply walking down the street, every moment in the Dino-Future is an adventure. Embrace the excitement, the wonder, and the thrill of living in a world where the past and future collide in the most spectacular way. Welcome to the Dino-Future.